What's the meaning of body blow? Body blow. Body blow.
Body blow. Body blow. A body blow is a powerful punch that targets the torso of an opponent in boxing or other combat sports. The purpose of a body blow is to weaken the opponent, make them lose their breath, or even knock them down by hitting vital organs such as the liver, spleen, or kidneys. The result of a successful body blow can be devastating for the recipient, causing pain and discomfort that can hinder their ability to fight back effectively. It can also cause fatigue, reduce endurance, and even lead to a knockout, making it an effective strategy in combat sports.